On my last video, it was suggested to me that perhaps my diet was contributing to my low mood. Well, I took that into consideration, and I've made a complete 180. I've added vegetables. Wow. Do I feel good? With the psychological effects of diet on mind, in mind, we're gonna do an unboxing of my refrigerator. Oh man, it's worse than I thought. What do we have in here? Well, start with the positive. Milk. Expired 5/31. Broccoli. It's good for the body and the mind. Here I have a bunch of chocolates. This plastic bag, just in case. What else we have? Oh yeah. Bean and cheese burrito. All of the nutrients you need, all wrapped into a tortilla. Sugar bread. Sugar bread and chocolate. 2 expired eggs from January. Yogurt that I'm not eating anymore because I don't have any cereal for it, because the cereal's too sugary and it makes me crazy. Tomato-less salsa. I need tomato-less salsa because if I eat tomato or coffee or chocolate or caffeine or spicy food or citrus, it makes my butt itch uncontrollably until I bleed. We haven't even looked at the cupboards yet. Rice! Tuna fish. Black bean. Quinoa. Sprouted rice and quinoa medley. English breakfast. Green tea decaf. The modern cocktail. For those lonely nights. Gorilla Glue. For those extra lonely nights. 2 empty water bottles. Some coconut oil. Not to mention, leftovers. The question is, are the contents of my fridge the cause of my emotions, or a symptom of my emotions? Or a symptom of my bank account having only $14 in it? You decide. Leave it in the comments below, and subscribe. Or send me some pizza pockets. It would be a good idea to take a closer look at my dietary habits. Ow. God, my areola has been on fire lately. Get your shit together.